Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install JVZoo to sell your products with affiliate offers. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To begin, navigate to the JVZoo website in your preferred web browser. Create a free account by clicking on the sign up button. Fill in the required information, including your name, email, and password. Once you've completed the registration, check your email for a confirmation link. Click the link to verify your account and gain access to the dashboard. After logging in, familiarize yourself with the dashboard layout. To add a new product, look for the Products tab in the main menu. Click on Add a Product to start the setup process. Select whether your product is digital or physical, and fill in the product details. Provide an eye-catching product name and a compelling description. Set your product price and choose the appropriate currency. Next, set up a payment processor if you haven't already. Select Payment Processors from the menu and connect your preferred account. This will allow you to receive payments directly through JVZoo. Now, configure your product delivery options. Choose how customers will receive their purchases, such as via email or a download link. After setting the delivery method, set your affiliate commission rate. Consider what percentage you'd like to share with your affiliates. Once all product details are in place, save your settings. Your product is now created, but it's time to promote it with affiliate offers. Go to the Affiliate Tools section. Generate referral links that affiliates can use to promote your product. Provide these links to your affiliates along with marketing materials. Promote your product through various channels to attract both customers and affiliates. Monitor your sales and affiliate performances from the dashboard. Adjust your strategies based on performance metrics for better results. Congratulations, you've successfully installed JVZoo to sell your products with affiliate offers. You're now ready to start making sales and growing your business. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.